The Earth has undergone countless changes over billions of years. On a planet where volcanoes erupted, oceans rose and fell, and continents moved, only 200,000 years ago, a species appeared. This species would forever change the course of the world. This is the story of humanity. In the history of our planet, a new chapter began in the depths of Africa. But what made them different from all other creatures? Why did only they survive and begin to dominate the world? This journey began when our ancestors started making simple tools. The first Homo Sapiens, with their stone and bone tools, fought to survive. But this was just the beginning. As tools developed, so did the intelligence of Homo Sapiens. So, what set Homo Sapiens apart from other human species? Neanderthals, Denisovans, and others shared the same world. But Homo Sapiens strengthened their social bonds. They began to live in communities, collaborate, and develop abstract thinking. Social bonds became Homo Sapiens' greatest strength. They formed families, divided tasks, and adapted to their surroundings. But what truly empowered them was the birth of language. The ability to share their thoughts and knowledge separated them from the rest of nature. This new language gave Homo Sapiens the edge over others. They hunted together, developed strategies, and even assigned meaning to nature through abstract thinking. Survival was not only a battle of physical strength, but also of the mind. But the world had its own plans for them. Climate changes, ice ages, and natural disasters tested Homo Sapiens' resilience. Though faced with difficult conditions, they survived. Over time, they didn't just survive, they conquered the Earth. They migrated from Africa to Asia, Europe, and eventually to all corners of the world. But this journey was not just about geographical expansion. Cultures, languages, and ideas evolved. Homo sapiens began shaping the world on their terms. From the pyramids of Egypt to the ziggurats of Mesopotamia, from China's agricultural lands to the civilizations of India, humanity slowly began to craft its future. Homo sapiens were no longer just fighting to survive. They were seeking meaning, interpreting the world, and passing down knowledge to future generations. Culture, art, science, all of these were part of their evolution. Humanity was not just existing, they were creating. Today, millions of years after our ancestors took their first steps, we are the heirs to their legacy. Their determination, intelligence, and social structures live on in each of us. We are the continuation of Homo sapiens' long journey, and yet this story is far from over. From the first Homo sapiens to today, millions of years have passed, and one lesson remains: humanity is a marvel of evolution, and this story is just beginning.